So now let us also talk about comments. Comments are like little notes that we can add to our code to help us understand it better. They don't affect how our code runs. They are just for us and other developers to read and understand what's going on. And another thing, they are ignored by the JavaScript interpreter. In JavaScript, we have two types of comments: single line comments and multiple line comments. So single line comments, these are comments which are used when you want to add a brief note or explanation on a single line. To create single line comment, we simply start our line with 2 forward slashes. So like this. Let me try to write something. Let us assign the value ten to variable my variable. Sorry. My variable. Let my variable equal to 10. So everything that we have written in that line will be ignored, but after that line it won't be ignored. Let me try to run this and you see. As you can see, everything that we have commented out has been ignored. But let me first console log and you see what I'm trying to talk about. Console.log my variable. As you can see, it outputs 10, but the other line that we commented out has been ignored. Let us remove the comments and you see what will happen. It will bring an error. As you can see, syntax error. Let us go back and comment out this. So comments help us to explain our code. They help us to explain our code to others. So as you can see, this one, it says let us assign the value 10 to variable my variable. It explains this. That's why we keep on using comments. So let us talk about multiple line comments. These are used when you need to write longer explanation. They allow you to write comments that exceed one line. Okay, let me show it to you. Let us assign value. So in order to break this comment, like if you want to stop there, you just do this. anything you write after. Sorry. Yeah. Anything you write after will be recognized. Hope you're getting it. That's all about so that's all about the comments. That's what I wanted to tell you. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section